In Medisoft, there's a really easy way to check your schedule. All you have to do is download Medisoft Mobile, and that app will allow for you to look at your appointments and create new appointments. Very simple. You're going to love it. Enjoy this tip of the week.
Today I'm going to show you around the Medisoft mobile app. Now, the mobile app, as you'd expect, you can view and manage your appointment scheduler from there. I'll show you that in just a moment. The other really neat thing about the Medisoft mobile app is that um, you can also use it as a replacement for your super bill or for your charge tickets, meaning that you can input your charges, you can select your procedure codes, your diagnosis codes, and go ahead and post those so that they go over to Medisoft. And at that point, it eliminates a lot of data entry, and that the billing staff is just able to review the charges and then go ahead and post those to the patient's account if everything looks okay. Um, and let me show you how this works. So for purposes of this video, what you're viewing on my screen is my actual iPhone that I have that I'm mirroring up to my computer screen. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the Medisoft mobile app. I'm going to enter the PIN number that I had to set up, and from here I can go ahead and view. These are all the appointments that I have scheduled today. I can also go ahead and click on the schedule view and scroll through and see the different appointments that I have scheduled today. And obviously from here, I can tap on an appointment, I can add a new appointment, I can edit an appointment, I can delete appointments. So you do have the flexibility to manage your schedule right here from your handheld mobile device. Let me go back to the main view. Let me go back to the main view here. And these are the appointments I have scheduled today. Now, really to add new charges, I'm just going to select a patient here. I'm going to click Add Charge, and you're presented with really an electronic copy of your charge ticket or your super bill. This is totally customizable, so you'd have your procedure codes, your diagnosis codes. But I'll go ahead and just select a 99212 here. You see, I just tap on it, then I can go to diagnosis code. Go ahead and expand that. And then select your diagnosis code. In this case, I'll just select migraine headache, and I'll hit submit. At this point, I have a little opportunity to review it if I like, add some modifiers. If everything looks good, I'm just going to hit submit on this, and that's going to go and process it. You'll see the little check marks I have next, meaning those are the ones I've already processed today. So let me just do one more real quick. I'm going to select it, hit add charges, go ahead and go through my super bill. We'll say that this is 99203. Let me go to diagnosis code, and we're going to say that we have an ulcer here, and I'm going to hit submit. Go ahead and hit submit again after a brief review, and that's been submitted. Obviously, you'll work your way through your appointments for the day. And then let me go ahead and minimize my phone now so that we can take you back into Medisoft and show you how all this comes together. Now, if I go to the activities menu and I go to unprocessed EMR charges, you'll see here the different charges, different procedure codes that were put in a few moments ago via my phone, the mobile app. And so if I'm a biller now, I can review these. I can obviously edit them. If I need to, I can add in at this point modifiers or change, add notes and change things, whatever I need to do. I can simply review them from this screen. If everything looks okay, I can just select the boxes here, hit post, and those charges, I get a little information message there. Those charges are automatically posted to the different patients' accounts in transaction entry. So now, at this point, as a biller, I don't have to enter those charges. I simply can go create my claims and go ahead and send those claims out to the clearinghouse. So just to show you what it did, though, here's the charge that we entered in today just now via the mobile app that I just posted. So that's how easy it is. That's how it works. From a Medisoft standpoint, you can again manage your schedule. You can also manage your you can post charges or replace your electronic or your paper super bill or your paper charge ticket and manage that from your phone. Really slick. Really helps save a lot of time and makes the whole process just a little more efficient and a lot quicker. So if you're a billing company, and provide RCM services to your clients, you can give the mobile app to your different clients. Have them use that instead of the paper super bills, and they will post automatically into your Medisoft, so that you can review them and then just post them to the patient's charges and save you a lot of data entry. So anyway, hope this video helps. Hope you learned something, and it can be of use to you. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again, and see you on the next one.